Hey, so today I decided I want to save some money, and I'm going to change the air filter for a 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. I think this is pretty similar with all the Ford engine EcoBoost. So it's fairly simple actually. It's on the, you'll find this located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Basically, you don't need any tools, essentially. So there's a clip right here. Pull this back. Pull this back. Now pull this back to get it off of the compartment. There we go. Voila. That's the old filter. I'm gonna take it out and see how it looked like. Oh man, this is in pretty rough shape. This truck got 120,000 miles on it. I'm not sure if I have asked him to do it or not. I usually just take it to the shop for oil change and some other stuff. But I decided I'm going to do it myself for air filter change this time. But this is pretty dirty. It's about time. Look, it even got a feather. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a dead bird in there. Because it's been since 2017. And yeah, it's got a feather. It's very dirty. I think it's way overdue, okay? So this is the replacement. It's Motorcraft for Motorcraft. I just Amazon search it and it spits out this one. It looks very similar. It's pretty cheap. It's about 14 bucks and shipping $2. You can buy a expensive K&N reusable one, but yeah, I figure cleaning it's a chore, so this is pretty cheap. And the K&N's about 50 bucks, but this one 14 bucks. Alright, just drop in the new filter. Be sure it's in the right orientation, that's all. It's not a perfect square, so it has to be the right orientation. Just be sure it fits snugly on both sides. If the other orientation, it doesn't fit fully. So just drop it in, put this back on. Let's see here. Gotta click. There we go. Click. That's it. Voila. Essentially, it'll probably take you less than a minute to do it without filming. So, I don't know. I don't know how much they want for it, but at least probably 50, 60, 70, 100 bucks. Who knows? But the cost of it is 15 bucks. Your labor, 1 minute. Easy peasy. Hope this helps. Good luck.